Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to set animated emoji as your profile photo on Telegram. So to start with, make sure that Telegram has been downloaded to your phone or updated to your phone. So for example, this one, Telegram, let's download it to our phone and let's get started. Now, open your Telegram app, and then in this section you'll be able to find all your chats or conversations. And then for us to change our profile, tap on the gear button, the settings on the bottom right corner of your phone. So let's tap on it, and then you'll be headed to this page wherein you will be able to see your profile and some of the options in here. Now under your name, profile name, you will see that set profile photo, so tap on it, and then let the Telegram access your camera, or you can open the gallery, set emoji, so tap on the set emoji. As you can see, there are a lot of options of animated emojis, so just choose whatever you like. And then you can also change the background color by tapping any of those, and then set as profile photo. So as you can see, we have now changed our profile photo to an animated emoji. So if this helps, please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe for more updates.